India records highest spike in COVID-19 cases, deaths crosses 1500 mark. Government mulling minerals task force and revenue augmentation measures. Stranded workers from Assam allowed to return home after health screening. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi bringing you news for today. Bad day for India as it entered the first day of the third phase of nationwide lockdown with the highest surge of deaths in a single day, with as many as 175 deaths reported on Monday. Here is a report. The overall mortality rate of COVID-19 in India stands at 10.9, which is comparatively lower in comparison to other developed countries, but deaths are still reported almost every day. On Sunday, the total number of deaths stood at 1,391. The toll jumped to 1,566 on Monday. By the time this report was filed, 39 new cases and 5 new deaths were reported, taking the total cases to 46,476 and total deaths to 1,571. Meanwhile, the global toll by pandemic have touched 2,52,746. Chief Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Love Agarwal, informed through a press briefing that India still has 32,138 persons under medical supervision, while 12,726 have been discharged or cured so far. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. State Minister for Hills Area Department and Mines and Minerals Sumronghang said that the government is mulling for establishing mobile task force to check illegal mining activity and loss of revenue in the state. During an interaction with the media, HAD Minister Sumronghang pointed out that prior to the nationwide lockdown, Mines and Minerals Department is the second highest revenue earning department for the government. He told that the department generated over Rs 2,565 crore in 2018 to 2019. Similarly, the department generated more than Rs 2,300 crore in the year 2019 to 2020. The minister said that the department has not been able to resume its work due to the lockdown and hope to continue its work once the lockdown is completely withdrawn. The HAD minister pointed out that the proposal for setting up of mines protection measures in the form of mobile task force have been mooted by the government in order to check illegal mining activities in the state, which causes huge losses of revenue to the state government. While speaking to media, the minister said that the department is also putting all effort towards augmentation of the department's revenue in view of falling state economy due to nationwide lockdown. He admitted that despite being the second highest revenue generating department, the department does not have enough manpower. HAD minister reminded that a proposal for establishing district office at Tinsukia, Dibrugarh, Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao and Goalpara district has already been submitted to the state government and is waiting for its approval. He expressed his hope that his proposal would be considered by the government and would do well in generating more revenues in the days and years to come. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. A day after the Assam government opened its boundaries with neighboring states to allow the return for its stranded people, many workers who were stuck in Nagaland since the first phase of lockdown reached Assam through Karbi Anglong district. Here is a report from Delhi. After the announcement of the Ministry of Home Affairs to allow interstate movement, several migrant workers stranded outside the state entered the state from different locations on Monday through Delhi checkpoint in the Assam-Nagaland border. Several workers who arrived at Delhi on Sunday underwent health screening tests from the health official. The screened persons were provided with health certificate. These workers who were screened at the checkpoints were from Lahore region and Umriam Ghat. Meanwhile, several workers alleged that no screen was done in Umriam Ghat, which is the entry point from Nagaland to Assam through the Golaghat district. Arrival of stranded workers at Delhi has continued today as the nation entered its second day of the third phase of nationwide lockdown. Bijoy Rongpi from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. Distribution of rations and masks continued today at different places in the twin Karbi Anglong districts. Here is a report. Under the initiative of District Disaster Management Authority, rice, dal, cooking oil and salt were distributed today at Langsoliat New Market. People of the area told that this is the first time that relief materials were ever received by the villagers, even as the nationwide lockdown has entered the second day of the Phase 3 lockdown. People of the area expressed their gratitude to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Jinfed Board Chairman Johnny Timung, who took the initiative to approach the Additional Magistrate DC Upashana Datta to provide immediate relief materials to the people. Meanwhile, Jinfed Chairman Johnny Timung distributed free masks to more than 50 persons at Langsoliat Old Market and also urged the people to maintain proper hygiene. KSYC President Prakash Terang was also present during the distribution. On the other end, under the initiative of the Amri Lamps, free rice was distributed to the people for third time. The distribution commenced at Asokunchi village and also covered Langerdang, Putsari, Honghari, Putsari Christian and Lembra village. During the day, 30 kg rice, 1 kg salt were provided to the villagers. MAC Dominic Uping Maslay and Amri Lamps Chairman Bikram Timung, Secretary Adrian Maslay, KSA, KSU, ATSU and other organizations also volunteered in the distribution. Bikram Crow from Diphu and P. Ratane from Birsinki reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have for today. Stay safe, thank you and keep watching Karbi Anglong Live.